This test, first is the test tube. One is the test tube. This is the test tube stand, test tube holder, dropper, spatula, salt which contain the chloride ion, and this is the also salt which keep out on the watch glass. Magnesium oxide, silver nitrate, acetic acid, lead acetate, and this is the solution of the lead acetate. Sodium hydroxides, and this is the solution of the sodium hydroxide. K2Cr2O7, and one more thing, that is the concentrate sulfuric acid. This is the concentrate sulfuric acid. So we start identification of chloride ion present in a salt. Take the small quantity of the salt which contain chloride ion in a test tube like this. Hold this test tube by the holder. Now add concentrate sulfuric acid. This is the concentrate sulfuric acid, and add concentrate sulfuric acid in this test tube like this. You observe that effluence is obtained and a gas is obtained from the test tube mouth, and this gas is the greenish yellow color, and this represents that the presence of the chloride ion in the given salt. It can be confirmed in this way. You take a glass rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide and now put on the mouth of the test tube. You observe a dense white fume is generated here, and this indicates the presence of chloride ion in this salt. Another confirmatory test of the chloride ion is magnesium dioxide test. In this test, we take the small amount of the salt, given salt, in the test tube like this. Add a small amount of the MnO2, magnesium dioxide, MnO2. This is the MnO2. Add it. It is the black color. It is the black color solid compound. It is the black color solid compound. In this test tube like this, a pinch amount. Now add concentrate. This is the concentrate H2SO4, that is the sulfuric acid. In this test tube add. You observe a gas is evolved. This is the greenish yellow colored gas. And this greenish yellow colored gas show that the presence of chloride ion in the given salt. It is also pungent in smell. The more confirmatory test of the chloride ion is the chromyl chloride test. In this test, we take the small amount of the salt containing chloride ion in a test tube like this. Add a small amount of the this is potassium dichromate. Add a small amount of the potassium dichromate in the test tube containing salt. In this way, add it. Now add a small amount of concentrate sulfuric acid. This is the concentrate sulfuric acid, and add in it. You observe that a gas is evolved from the test tube like this. You observe that a gas is evolved from this test tube. Add this gas passed in the another test tube containing containing sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide aqueous solution, like this. You observe that this solution become yellow in color. This solution become in yellow in color. Now add a small amount of few drop of the small amount of acetic acid to acidify this solution. This is the acetic acid. Acetic acid add in this test tube to acidify the solution form in this way. Add it. Now add lead acetate. This is the lead acetate. Lead acetate, and this is the solution of the aqueous solution of the lead acetate. Add in this test tube. It become deep yellow. It become yellow, like this. In this way. In this way. This is the yellow in color. You observed it, got it. This is the yellow. It become deep yellow in color.